Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving the basics under real conditions. Insert the SIM and try it in a known working handset to isolate hardware. Once done, open your device APN settings and compare values to the carrier reference. APN name, username, password, and MCC/MNC matter. Make sure mobile data is enabled and airplane mode is off. Watch the signal bars change. If you see no Gprs indicator, record the network type shown and proceed to re-register the device. Next, you force the device to re-register with the radio network. Go to Network Operators, pick Manual, select your carrier, then switch back to Automatic so the phone does a fresh attach. If that fails, reset the network stack, toggle mobile data, perform a reboot, or run the system network reset to clear cached configurations. Also confirm the SIM is provisioned for packet data and the device supports the carrier's Gprs bands. Incompatible bands silently block service. To finish, run controlled tests. Perform a ping, load a simple web page, or use a small app to confirm uplink and downlink. If you still lack Gprs, update the device firmware and modem/baseband because radio bugs often block packet service. Apply carrier profile updates if available. As a last step, try a known good SIM or an external antenna to rule out weak signal. If problems persist, contact your carrier with logs and the exact error codes so they can reprovision or escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.